The self-return service from U-Haul lets you return your truck to a U-Haul store on your schedule, anytime, day or night. Complete the return process by answering a few questions and uploading a few photos. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection. To get started, park your truck and keep the key in the ignition for now. Use your phone to sign into your U-Haul account or follow the link in your confirmation email. You will be asked to sign in using your contract or order number. You can find your order number on your rental confirmation email or on the contract in the glove box. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your email and password. After you log in, select the After Hours or Self-Return button. The next screen will tell you where you should be parked at the U-Haul store. If you're not already there, please move your truck to the correct area. Make sure you follow the instructions and don't block entrances or exits. If you have not previously done so, you will need to create and verify your U-Haul account. Simply enter in a password to get started. We'll email or text you a code. Enter that code in here now. Now that we've verified it's you, let's continue returning your truck. Share your location to help us confirm you are at the correct location. The next screen will ask for your mileage and fuel level. Tap to enter the mileage, then tap or drag the fuel bar to accurately show the amount of fuel currently in the truck. Now, take and upload a photo of the odometer and fuel gauge. Next, you will need to answer some questions about the truck performance. Tell us if you used furniture pads or dollies. If the truck is clean and ready for the next family to use, take and upload 2 pictures, one of the cab from the driver's side of the truck and one from the cargo area from the back of the truck. This will help us address any issues before the next family uses the truck. Now, report if there is any new damage to the vehicle. Next, take a photo of where you parked the truck. Then upload a photo of where the truck is parked. Before leaving, make sure you take all your items out of the truck and secure all rental dollies and furniture pads in the back of the truck. You're almost done. Now review the pending charges. Select the option that applies to you. Then select Complete Truck Return to finish returning your truck. Lock the truck, then look for the key drop box or slot. Drop your key in there. You're all set. Thank you for returning your truck. We'll email you your receipt shortly.